Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today, I gotta move this over there somewhere, kind of in the center. I think I'll do it right below this, between this rib and that rib, right here. Which means I gotta move pretty much everything around. Yeah, I gotta make room in here. I have another bench to make. This is the starter bench, and this gets two 20 by 48 seedling mats on it. And now my son got me another seedling mat, so I'm going to make one of the regular grow tables, which is a different design from this. So I'm gonna make a cut list for that tonight and start on that tomorrow, hopefully. So I got to move everything around to make room, get this where it's going to go, and then I want to get the piece of foam cut for the top of this tonight as well, so that I clear out the haymow a little bit. I have all my materials waiting in the haymow for the shed to be done, and I'm still waiting on Menards to get me my green glue so I can do that. So I'm gonna get started here. Okay, that went pretty quick. This thing's pretty nice. I like it. What I'm thinking here is if I put some 2x4s probably just across here and across there. I don't have my tape measure with me, but I think this'll pretty close to fit, or I can make it fit. And then just slide this under there to give me a nice place to put stuff where it'll be out of the water when the sun's shining. It's just raining in here. If you've seen any of the other videos, I mean, everything's soaked right now. We got a lot of water on stuff, and it's only 17 degrees out without sun today. So I think I'm gonna do that. I don't know if I'll be able to get to it today. Yeah, every day it seems like I'm fixing stuff before I can get out and do any of this stuff, so I run out of time really quick. But that's okay. What I need to do now is go cut the styrofoam for that. Just put it up on top. I don't know if I will fasten it at all. It really doesn't need it. It's just going to sit on the top here. And then I'm really not sure what I'm going to do with the electrical cords. You know, I got the two mats sitting on it. And then up top here, the other half of the styrofoam is going to hang right about here. Actually 2 feet to start. 2 feet off the top of this to start. That's going to hang about right here. I'm trying to think how the electrical, I think the electrical cords can just hang out, because the top part will have plastic hanging down as a curtain, and it should stay toasty warm in there. I have a thermostatic outlet for both heat and cold, so it'll work an exhaust fan. If it gets too hot in there, it'll turn an exhaust fan on, and if it gets too cold, I'll probably put that little heater under here, like I said before. put some curtains going down to the ground and put that little heater under here, and that'll warm things up really nice. I'll have to have a way to get the heat up into the upper part, but all I really need to do is, you know, hold the plastic out a little bit with something and have the heater blow the air up into here. So that's my plan. All I gotta do now is go cut that styrofoam, which is easier said than done. I gotta clean off the table saw, get the styrofoam out of the hay mow, get that cut, bring it back in here, and then I gotta get to work on the day job. Okay, let's go cut that styrofoam. Okay. I really gotta get that is just garbage. I don't know why I still have that in here. But this snow blower really needs to get out of here. I have the tires are done, and I got all my stuff, my cotter pins and stuff in that bag there. Need to get that put together and roll it the hell out of here. Can sit in the snow until I can get to it. Okay, so got to dig up a razor knife and my straight edge. Got a nice drywall straight edge back here somewhere. This mess really needs to go. That green glue would be really nice to have on hand so I could get this damn thing finished in here. Yeah, once this wall is completely finished and I get stuff the hell out of the way, I can work pretty much any time back in there by putting covering this up, and I can have it nice and toasty warm, so I can work longer. When it's super cold out, you really don't want to work too many hours out in it. Okay, I gotta find my tape measure. Actually, I can use this thing. But I do need to find that razor knife. Where the hell is that thing? Okay, I have a cut to the edge. Now what I'm going to do is cut straight down on both sides, flip it over, and then make a cut along the other side. And then I'm going to lean it over the edge. Hopefully I got enough room here. I can also take it back over to the greenhouse and lean it over the edge and snap it. And hopefully it comes out good. I can actually go down a little bit farther because I was riding on the square, but that might end up making a sloppy cut. Let's give it a shot. Hi, cat. Come to help or hinder? Come on, kitty. Cut in here. Ta-da! Okay, that's going to be toasty warm for the little seedlings. Now I gotta go clean up on the other side and bring a tape measure over here to see what the distance is. Okay, I got that measured up. Yeah, this won't work, not unless I'm going to narrow it up a bit, a good deal, and I don't want to do that. I'll leave this alone and cut some other stuff for this. So what I'm going to end up doing is putting a small bench going across here and then another one on the other side, because I don't want to waste material cutting up a bigger piece of plywood or something for that. So I'll dig out whatever scrap I have and make something up and put it on there. But this is a nice milestone here. A lot of the rest of the building of this involves cutting. I have to cut a hole in the center of the other sheet of styrofoam and then put I think I have 1x2, sandwich it on the edge like this, and then run some 1/4-inch bolts right through it in like 5 places, but 2 of the bolts here and here will be eye bolts. So that'll pinch everything together, and then between the eye bolts it'll have a rope running up and down to the other side, and that's how I'll adjust the height. Should be pretty interesting. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up for today. Thanks for watching. If you want to see the rest of this go together, make sure you subscribe and click on the update button so that you're notified when I post the new videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.